Hello everyone, we are Group 46. We're doing project PA1, the van station application. Today we will show you our progress on this app. Let's run the code. This code will be run on our mobile phone. To start using the app, the user has to create an account. It can be done using Facebook or manually. We will start with creating an account manually. Here I'm gonna write my email. And I will write my name as a password. And we click register. Now as long as you hit register, this is gonna be sent to the database on Firebase to the authentication. Now if we refresh the page, as you can see now, here is my email, and this is the time when it's created and signed in, and the ID will be encrypted and the password will be encrypted. The next step is creating your profile. If you are using this app to travel in vans, select a passenger. Now the app will ask you a few questions. Write your name, your phone number, and year of birth. Now all the extra information that we wrote on the mobile phone is saved in the database. Here, the birth, the name, and the phone number. If the user wants to log in faster, he can just continue with Facebook. It will automatically connect to the database and show in the authentication part. Here, as you can see, this is the email gotten from the Facebook. If the user is a van driver, he can click on a driver. Here there will be the same question as a passenger with plus more questions that ask for the vehicle type and vehicle number and to upload a picture of his driving license for security.
Now we are working on collecting the van station information like their prices, routes and timings. All of our remaining features depend on it. Therefore, we have initial progress on 2 more features. We will show the remaining features which are partially completed or at our initial stages. The first one is the user input. Here the user will be able to write the start and destination routes where he wants to travel to, and the app will show them the vans which use the same routes. He can select one of those van stations and look at all their information like location, distance, prices and open hours. He can also add them to favorites. So the user, if he adds those to favorites, will get that van station information in his favorites column, so that he can check that anytime he wants rather than inputting the value again and again. The next feature that we are going to work on is nearby. So the user will basically open the nearby feature, and using the GPS the app will locate where he is standing and all the van stations which are around him, so that he can look at all these stations near him and select which station he wants to go to. Another feature is the add update station. So both the users and the drivers can notify us if some van has some information changed. So suppose it changes the routes, timings or prices, they can simply select that, answers a few more questions and send it to us. We will verify that information, and if it is correct, we'll update the information in the Firebase and make it available to all the users. So we are currently working on van information and nearby van stations and should have it completed by the demo day. Thank you for watching our video.